Hi, my name is Emily Buchanan. Today I'll be sharing about Miss Porter, my teacher. She's an amazing teacher. She supports me all the time whenever I'm hurt, sad, even whenever I'm happy. She always supports me. She helps me learn and grow.
I love being a teacher because these sweet girls next to me get to come in every single day with the rest of my class and just be kids who bring me joy. I get hugs, I get stories about softball games and gymnastics competitions and what they did with their families. And it's just so wonderful to have a job where I get to experience joys of being a kid again.
Hi, I'm Annabelle Hernandez, and I would like to talk about Miss Porter. She's an amazing teacher, and the reason that I really want to take care of kids, my career is to be a babysitter. She's helping me on what I need to work on, and she's the reason why I get smarter every day. She's always loyal, caring to me, and it feels like she's a parent to me, but she's not my mom, and it feels like it's so much because of how much time I get to spend time with her, and being in her class was really exciting because she is a very loyal teacher, which I thought that she was going to be less, but when I was used to her, I figured she was just a really amazing teacher.
Being a teacher is a really rewarding career. I get to, and all teachers get to see the growth in these students. We just had a walkthrough of students from Warren Central High School who came through, and we're seeing teachers who have been here for a while say hi to students that they maybe had in first or second grade, and to see how those students have grown, to see what they're accomplishing now, and to see that their first or second grade teacher is still someone they remember, someone who helped them believe in themselves, who made a difference in their lives, that they want to come back to, is something you really just can't do anywhere else.